Hi guys, it's Emily and welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be another Get Productive with Me video because I have a lot of chores and tasks to just check off. So it's basically just to get right into the video so I will get things done. I'm going to start off by cleaning my desk. I have made like a really long list of things I want to get done. And the first one is to clean my desk. And yeah, it's a really big mess, so I'll just start. So now I have cleaned my desk, and over here I have my to-do list. So the one that's color-coded is my previous one, and that's more for like school and which tasks I have to get finished for that. And then here I have my to-do list for today and my Get Productive with Me video. And I also use post-it notes if I have something like remember to do this evening or the next morning, so I always put up post-it notes on my walls so that I won't forget the task. And yeah, now my desk is cleaned, and if you'd like to have a desk tour, just comment down below and I'll make a video about that. I actually still have a lecture going on, but I'm finished with the task that we were supposed to do today, so I'm checking that through right now. And after that I'm going to eat some lunch, and then I'm going to get some other tasks done. Okay, so now I'm finished with the task for today. We were supposed to write a novel analysis. Yeah, so now it's time to get some lunch. Okay, so now I have eaten lunch, and my second lecture, which should start in 30 minutes, has been cancelled, but we still got like things to do, so I'm going to read about 30 pages in our school book and take notes on that. now I have checked off 2 things. So I cleaned my room and I've done some history notes, and now it's time for me to read an English book, and it's not given to me by the school, and I just want to read it. And the thing I'm doing, because I want to increase my vocabulary in English, is that in my bullet journal I've done like a little spread with English words. So when I see a word that I'm not sure what it means, or I want to like learn how to use it better, I write it down and I write the definition down. So I have made 4 sides for this because I think I will find quite a lot of words. Actually, this is just for like 2-3 chapters. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have begun to take some notes from biology since we have a test coming up next week and it's about evolution. So I'm going to continue to finish these notes, which will probably take a while. I'm finally done taking all of my biology notes now, and it turned out to be quite a lot. So I've been sitting the past 3 days to take these notes and try to learn everything that I has to learn. So yeah, now it's only 2 days left to test, and I still have a long way to go to prepare for it. So that's what I'm going to continue with, and I'm going to use Quizlet for like flashcards and just try to take in all of this information. Okay, so now I'm finally done making all of my flashcards on Quizlet. So I have done for all of the different topics, and on the first one I have 18 flashcards, and then on the second one I have 23, and then 8 on the last one. So I'm glad that's done, but now I have to study it all into my head, and the time is currently free, as you can see. So yeah, I have some time left to study. Okay, so I'm finally done with all the preparations for my test, and I keep everything in this folder. So I did new flashcards. I did flashcards on Quizlet before in this video, but I find it that the more time you write it down with like a pen or a pencil, the more I learn. So I ended up doing flashcards for all the topics on paper, because yeah, I learn more then, and it's easier to take while you with you while you're in your car or on your way somewhere. And I also ended up doing a short timeline, so I know when what happened and stuff like that. And I also ended up writing down all of the important words. Not that I will remember all of them, but I feel like it's good to like go through every important word and know the definition of them. And then here I have my notes, and the thing I do right before the test, as you can see here, is that I highlight the important sentences and the things that I'm still not sure about and I really want to remember. It can be like some important detail or a whole paragraph that's really important and that's not stuck in my head yet. So I go through all of my notes and highlight those sentences and words that's important to remember for me. So yeah, that's basically it for my preparation for test. And if you'd like, I could do like a specific video how I study for an upcoming test if you like. So yeah, it's just a comment down below if you'd like to see that. But that's basically it for this video, you guys, and I hope you had a productive day and that you get a lot of things done. Bye!